In this video, you will know the 5 driving hacks that anybody did not know, so let's start the video. Subscribe the video if you are new. Number 1. If you are driving in a fog, then you did not see the view clear, while when you open your smartphone camera and see from mobile video live, you will see the view clear. This is an amazing hacks, and it's also my favorite one. So what your favorite? Tell in comments. Number 2. If your car is parked outside and its windscreen is frozen, you will take a piece of potato or the skin of potato and rub on the car windshield. You will see that the windscreen is unfrozen. I did not know what is the logic behind, but it is amazing. Number 3. If you is worried because of sunlight, you will use an acrylic sheet. It protects your eyes from ultrasonic waves, and you will also drive the car smoothly without any disturbance. Number 4. Boil water. If you have a small dent on your car, you will flow it on car and then use the plunger suction, and then again and again use it, and after a while the car dents come out. Number 5. And the last, you did not close your window if stuck in snow, because you will turn on heater and the window close, so the snow also cover the exhaust, and the harmful is prepared, which is carbon monoxide, and if you are sleeping in it first, you will unconscious and then you die. And the interesting thing is that you will know about that. So if stuck in snow, turn your window open.